let's take a look at how to enable data-driven attribution in Google Ads. Now, first things first, we're going to come over to goals, and then under conversions, we're going to look for summary. Then under summary, we want to find the conversion action that we're going to adjust, because you're going to have to do this action by action, essentially. So to do this, we're going to click on this first one. This is a submit lead form conversion action. When that pops up, we will see the edit settings option here, and then we will see attribution. If we click the little drop down, this will show us our current attribution model. And this is specifically for Google paid channels, but an attribution model essentially determines how much credit each ad interaction gets for your conversions. So with data-driven attribution, which is now kind of the default, and it's pushing everybody towards this model. It just calculates the actual contribution of each ad interaction across the entire conversion path. And it's using statistical modeling and different things, I believe, to do that. So it's using all sorts of crazy math and AI and different things to help determine, which ad gets which amount of credit. So to do this, we just click the little drop down here, and we can switch to data driven. Then we can click save. It's not really going to change much in terms of like the existing data in the account or anything of that nature. It's just going to change moving forward how the data is distributed amongst the specific sources that led to conversions. So that's pretty much it. Hope you did find this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out and just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.